Hello viewers, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanchipuram silks. Let us start our episode with this stunning royal blue saree with full of silver zari, richly woven in Vanasingaram pattern and vines and floral design on the body and plain pavanji borders. Priced at 14,990, this saree has got plain royal blue blouse with the same border as that of the saree. Next comes a small temple sized border in bright red color. Small golden zari booties comes in stripes pattern on the body. This simple Kanjivaram is priced at 8,500. That's the pallu. Next is a purple Kanjivaram with checkered pattern with Annam and Rudraksha motifs in golden as well as silver zari. This saree is priced 13,700 and here is the open view for you. That's the grand pallu. Next is a beautiful candy pink with the navy blue in the border, Koravai weaving with golden zari, striped zari border and silver and golden zari buttas on the body. This is the open view of the saree and the folded part is the blouse piece. Next is a big wide bordered Kanjivaram in dark peacock green with the golden zari tilagam motifs on the body. Very beautiful dark color combination. This saree is priced 12,500. That's the pallu and the blouse piece comes in purple. This is the body. Very beautiful and elegant. Next is another Ganga Jamuna style Korvai Kanjivaram with black and Rani pink borders. The small temple weaving above it. Priced at 10,500. That's the blouse piece in Rani pink. Next comes a small border Korvai Kanjivaram in very bright meti yellow and contrast border in dark maroon. This Korvai Kanjivaram is priced 11,700. The body of the saree remains solid without any golden zari buttas and that's the pallu. Next is a borderless Kanjivaram in beautiful purple shade with Annams in golden zari and Rudraksham comes in the silver zari with a unique pattern woven on the body and contrast pallu priced at 10,000 rupees. This same design comes in another beautiful color combination in orangish red and grey combination. Two lovely borderless Kanchipuram sarees, each of them priced 10,000 rupees. That's the body. Unique pattern comes in the bottom part of the saree. Next one is a half and half style Kanjivaram with baby pink in the bottom part and navy blue comes in the body, priced at 10,800. Golden zari comes on the body. Next is a very richly woven light green and purple combination with a big chakra motifs comes in the border and very richly woven Annam and Rudraksha pattern on the body, priced at 13,999. This is the open view, the grand rich pallu. Next comes another half and half style, this time with the mustard yellow and navy blue combination, priced at 10,900. That's the open picture. Next saree is a turning border design with bright orange shade, golden zari buttas on the body as well as borders on either sides. Contrast pallu and blouse piece comes in Rani pink. This saree is priced 13,999. Next comes a very lovely Rettapettu style traditional Kanjivaram in dark violet shade and raindrop motifs comes on the body. This saree has got dark bottle green comes in the border, priced at 10,700. That's the open view with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Next is another borderless style Kanjivaram, pinkish orange shade with elephant golden zari motifs on the body. That's the blouse piece, which also has a motif of elephant. This saree is priced 9,800. Next is half and half style with bottle green and purple combination. Polka dots comes in the woven pattern in golden and silver and copper zari. This saree is priced 10,500. Next is a traditional Kanjivaram with a small border on either sides of the saree and very big golden zari circular motifs comes on the body. This lovely dark shade of Kanjivaram in brown priced at 10,700. The pallu and the blouse piece comes in the dark pink. Next is at Korvai Kanjivaram with the grey and traditional Kanchipattu weaving border on either sides of the saree with 1 gram pure gold zari, priced at 15,990. Contrast pallu and blouse piece comes in the red. Very elegant combination in contrast. Next saree is a traditional Kanjivaram with rich meenakari weaving all over the body. Medium sized borders on either sides of the saree, priced at 13,900 with the purple in the pallu and the blouse piece. Next is a dark coffee brown with rich golden zari weaving all over the saree. Very unique pattern and turning borders, priced at 14,200. That's the blouse piece. Here is the open view of the rich grand Kanjivaram. Next one is a lovely pink shade with checks pattern cuttons on the body, pavanchi borders on either sides along with the weaving. Above the pavanchi borders, contrast blouse piece. Next 3 sarees are half and half style, simple elegant Kanjivarams, each of them priced 9,500, starting with this cream and royal blue combination. Next is orange and navy blue, priced 9,500. Here is the open view. Next one is cream with grey combination, pastel shade, very classy and soothing color combinations. Next is a Risa design pattern Kanjivaram, rich multicolored weaving all over the body in checks pattern and silk thread weaving too, priced at 12,400. This is the pallu, body and blouse piece together. Here is the grand body. Last saree in today's episode with the parrot green and pink combination, Korvai Kanjivaram, priced at 10,990. In order to book your favorite saree, please send us the screenshot along with the saree's picture and the price to WhatsApp number 7010830303. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Signing off, Rajni.